Hi guys, I'm Jacob back again, but with my other friend Michael. Hello, and we both have Xbox Live, but who cares about that? And we both sometimes play together, but his Xbox is not working right now.
Yeah.
And
Wait, I think I fixed it.
You did?
Yeah.
Let's play it later on.
Yeah,
but,
later on.
Michael, get to the point. We're getting to the point. What do you like to do?
Like to play sports.
Sports?
Like
what kind of sports?
Soccer,
tennis,
football.
Well, oh yeah, I heard something today about Chandler. He said you think football's lame.
That is not true.
Okay, get back to the point.
Yep.
What do you do around the house?
What do you mean by around the house?
Like, what do you like do? You hang out or like something?
A lot of times. Okay, shut up. I normally just play Xbox.
Play Xbox, that's what I do too. I think today, we're gonna post a video about Xbox. What game do you want to play?
You have a lot of good games.
Yeah, I do. I'm playing Halo Reach a lot though. If you want to play Halo.
It's a really hard game.
Yeah, I got an interest, yeah.
Okay, can you please shut up, man? Please.
So,
Modern Warfare? Or do I do Advanced?
You know what? I think today we're gonna go with Halo.
Okay, we'll say Halo.
But 1 point.
Halo 3 or Halo Reach?
Oh, I got rid of Halo 3.
Oh,
because it's so dumb.
What's
Whoever made Halo 3 is so dumb.
Well, they're the person that's made Halo Reach.
No, I know, but I hate Halo 3. It's so horrible.
Well, it's okay, but I don't.
So horrible.
That was lame guns.
Yes, I know.
They have like the worst guns in the world.
I think we're gonna be doing an interview about
what? About what?
My airsoft guns. You wanna do it today?
Maybe. Why not?
Let's go get them.
Okay.
We'll be back.
We'll be right back.
Okay, I am back with the shotgun for airsoft. It is about like 12 bullets. You see, I have a bullet right there right now, and it's a pretty decent gun. Put some dye stickers on it, as you can see, the dye. And I put one on this side too. And it's a pretty good, actually, pump back shotgun. As it's really hard, but it's a pretty good gun. And it has safe. This is where the mag goes.
Right
here.
And this one.
I got it. And it comes with a sling. Wait for a sling, I think. Double eagle. And that's it for that gun. This is my primary. I have a real EOTech on this. I have an upgrade stock. I have an upgrade engine right now. Put some I got Elite Four stickers. The reason why I have this right here is because my butt stop came off, and that's basically it about this gun. It's really good. I got a lot of kills with it, and so that's basically it. So what it sounds like that.
Dude, you just scared me. You're firing.
And that's it about those. So we're gonna be posting a video later about MW3. Goodbye, YouTube.
See ya. Peace.
Michael, Jacob.